friend group have a tradition of every time someone goes to Umrah, we always buy each other a prayer mat with our names on it. And I haven't really used this one yet. So today I opened it and I didn't realize that she wrote my name on it. And my goodness. First of all, this is the first time they've ever spelled my name properly. Second of all, it's so cute. It's so cute. Like, I love this so much. This thing, it's a arrow bag. I had an idea of putting my archery right there. Does that look good on top of my bed? If I put it on the floor, it's too low. Should I stand? How would this look if we were to hang it up like this? Woolworths is having a huge sale on protein bars, and so shout out to whoever told me this in the Run Spire group chat. Like everyone in Hollywood is like bathing. That's what they do. Like literally. I heard something where they're eating mermaids. Apparently they eat them at the Met Gala. That's why no one's allowed to record inside. They have like, it's called like marine cuisine. They eat mermaid meat.
And I saw so recent organ harvesting going on.
There's this one girl, some guy comes up to her and he was like, oh my god, like, I thought you were dead. Like, I tried to save you. And basically he was telling her like, him and his friends went fishing and they caught a mermaid that looked exactly like her. Like, it had her face. And then the mermaid was taken and then like, it was sold to like, as marine cuisine and they ate them.
Like, it's actually insane. Like, are they playing some ladder?
Yeah.
Like post-Atlantic stuff? Planetarium, have you heard about?
So my poem is done. I'm ready. Share it with you guys. The official. I can't believe I'm sharing this. This is really personal. I have spent many years on the sidelines, watching others articulate what I could not say, creating what I was too afraid to display. They flaunted what I was scared to show. I stayed quiet, laying low. I only have myself to blame. I listen to the critics, I'm ashamed. I've been living in fight or flight. Darkness surrounds me, but I see the light. For my Lord says Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. I will change, I will not seek help from anyone else. I will no longer ask for permission, I only trust my intuition. The opposite of depression is expression. To doubt myself is self-oppression. I'm no longer living in the shadows. I take this bow and arrow. We speak up. That's my bestie because I sent her the poem. I know she's calling me. She's about to hype me up. Okay.
That was so good. That was too good.
Thank
and I was
you.
like, why is she not acting like that? Shut the hell up, man. You need to start acting like your pop. But you know what it is? I don't know if you know, the active.
Yeah.
Like I just know he's gonna do so well because he's just committed. Actually, what they talk about.
Really?
That's what you need. You need to clock into that episode right now.
Wow, that's crazy.
You need to clock into that episode right now.
Are you serious? They were talking about the same thing. Ma, I'm so clocked in. I'm about to hang up on you so I can finish my video and post it.
No, you will. Go. Go. Yeah, I'll send you the episode right now, actually. Bye.
Bye. And she was like, she watched a podcast episode of Fair Dinkum and they were talking about the same thing that I said in my poem. That's crazy. I need listen up. No longer living in the shadows, I take this bow and arrow and shoot straight into my heart. Moving forward, I only speak art. Pen to paper is where my freedom will start. Oh! So it's like, stop it. Stop. If you have ideas, share it. And also, I feel like for a long time I was gaslighted by people. I feel like a lot of people did not understand me for so long and they would just critique me. And like looking back at that now, I realized that like just because someone doesn't understand you doesn't mean that their opinions of you are valid. Like if someone wants to have an ordinary life, that doesn't mean you have to want the same things as them. Just getting started, guys. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.